Yo, what's going on, gang? It's your boy Wiz, and I'm back again with another video. So, as y'all all know, I took a week break, and it was because I was sick. My head was painful. I was having flu, so as I still have a flu, but that didn't stop us from winning today. Yeah, I was feeling headache, flu, and my eye, this right eye, was very painful. And a real trader knows when to take a break, guys, because if you are not good mentally, you are ill, you just have to take a break and take care of yourself first, because the market will always be there. But if you are sick, you won't be able to trade peacefully and then knowing exactly what to do in the market. So I had to take a break for a week. That didn't kill us, right? So, but now today I want to break down, guys, how we actually caught the 150 pips in the fucking VIP group, yeah. I've been telling you guys you are sleeping in this VIP group because we are killing it every day. I just don't get it. Some of you guys, you are not in the VIP group, yeah. But anyways, let's just focus on education first, because at the end of the day, I want to teach you how to trade so that you can become profitable, or so that you can become independent like me. That's my mission. But VIP group is just an option if you want to make money while you're still learning, and then you can just join it. It's optional. Yeah. So now let me just show you. This is the actual trade that we took this morning. As you can see, it's still just the market just hit our TP, and I'm just making this video. It's like a quick video to explain to you how we took this trade, and the reason why I took it, and yeah, everything. Let me just show you when did I send this signal, right? And when did I sell? So here's the VIP group. Yeah, this is the VIP group I'm telling you about. So I actually sent this signal. It was a sell. I sell. Yeah, let's sell. That was early in the morning, because I do trade a pre-London session and a New York session, right? So this is a pre-London. I send a sell position. Let's sell, gang. Everybody was active, because I do send like a message to stay ready 5 minutes before I send a signal, so that everyone can be ready to eat. And yeah, everyone was in it, and we took a shot. We sold it. And then a few minutes later, boom, hit TP, we hit TP, and that was a 150 pips booked easy. I can't say easy, don't I make it look easy because I already know it, right? But it's also gonna be easy the moment you will know what you're doing in the market. So let's go back on the chart real quick, man. I want to show you my people, man. I love you so much. So this trade, if we can actually go back, let me just replay. So where we took this trade, it was here. I'll show we took the trade. We took a trade, it was here. So now I can see the market was a drop. The market was just going down. If you can check on a 5 minute time frame, so that you can see a bigger picture. It was a drop. It was a drop. Yeah? Here we can see that we had a drop, and then we had a pullback. And then here we had another drop. That was a huge drop, and then we had another pullback. So as soon as we had this pullback, it was like, yeah, we are the tail traders. We want to get in as well, and capitalize in this move. So let's just jump in. That's when we jumped in, right in. But you can just like find an entry on it. You can find an entry. I do find some entries on a 5 minute time frame, but in this case, as you can see, 5 minute time frame was just moving with the long candlestick, and the retest was not that clear on a 5 minute time frame. So what I did, I had to switch on a 1 minute time frame. That's a mindset. I had to switch on a 5 minute or 1 minute. you know I can't just explain my whole strategy on a YouTube, guys. It's just like it's a lot. So if you wanna learn from me, you wanna learn how I do trade on a daily basis, just see me out. Just send me a message on Telegram. Hey, bro, I need a one-on-one mentorship. I'm not that stingy with the game. I'm not as stingy with the ball. I do pass the ball. If you wanna learn, just hit me up on Telegram or WhatsApp. Yeah. I think Telegram will be better. So just hit me, send me a message. Hey, bro, I need a one-on-one. you know, how do I go about it, and I will tell you all the information. You know, I don't usually do that, but I can do that for you guys. Yeah, so now let's just go back here and talk about the whole thing. And yeah, and as you can see, the market on a 1 minute time frame, we was actually just waiting for the market to drop so that we can get in, you know. So yeah, the market went up on a 5 minute, and now the market was dropping. And then as soon as the market just like calmed down, we saw like a huge candlestick. As you can see here, we had this is a reversal candlestick. You know how they call that one? They call that it's a reversal candlestick. I forget the name, but whenever you see this candlestick, just know that. And we had another long candlestick that pushed down, and it was like, yo, that's the perfect time for us to get in, you know? Yeah. And then I just waited a little bit, and then we got in. Now let's just play and see how the market moved first, yeah? And also, I want you to understand the passion behind all this. It doesn't always go smooth as people think like, oh, as soon as you open a sell, the market is just gonna go straight down and you don't, there's no waiting. Nah, bro. If it was like that, everyone was gonna be rich by now, you know. Now let's just play. Boom. You see? Now why it's moving so fast? Let's reduce the speed. All right, the speed is good. So let's just talk about it like this. You can see the market dropped, yeah. Here we was already in, mind you, we was in and it was already up maybe 60 pips. We can calculate. Let's just talk with facts. We was already up 60 pips, 68 pips, right? 68 pips. Now you can imagine that we are up 68 pips, and then the market went up again, and we started being in loss a little bit. So we played in a loss for a few minutes. The market consolidating as always, and I will tell you about consolidation. Let's pause. Consolidation doesn't mean that the market is going to hit your stop loss, right? What consolidation tells you is the market is just ranging in a certain price so that it can continue to go where it's going. Now look at this. And then that's why we hit TP. You see that big ass candlestick right here? You see how this candlestick? Oh shit, this candlestick. That was a game. That was a game killer. I don't know how to call it. It was like it just dropped, but regardless, we were just gonna hit the TP. We hit the TP with 115. We can just finish playing the whole thing. You know, the market just play it again and just hit TP again. You know. But we hit TP at this candlestick. Yeah, this is the candlestick that hits our TP, and it was out me in the game. And we can just check that one if you wanna see it, guys. You know, you wanna see with your own eyes. So you can see, yeah. That's that candlestick, that long candlestick. It just went down a bum. Beautiful. Beautiful. One sniper entry point, get everything done, you know. And how many pips? 150. We caught 150, but overall, this trade, let me show you. This trade moved more than 150, and I'm gonna explain you why. You can see this trade actually moved 160 pips, but we caught 150 pips. Why? Let me explain to you. You see this trade? We took it a little bit late, yeah. Little bit late, and it's always gonna be like that sometimes. Sometimes market is just gonna slide a little bit, you know. Yeah, but timing is always important. But we timed it. We just only we was late 10 pips, huh? But that doesn't change nothing. Money is money. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys you like the video, and I just wanted to make a quick video like this, you know. Yeah, let me know if you like this kind of video. I can be doing it more every day, you know, every day, because we are trading every day, we're killing it every day. And if you want to be part of our VIP group, the link will be down below. Click the link, join us, and let's eat, you know, because now we are taking a break. We're gonna come back on a New York session so that we can kill more, right? So if you wanna join the free Telegram group. The link will be down below. And when you're in a free Telegram group, you're gonna see a pinned message saying join VIP. Click that link and then it's gonna show you the process on how to join the VIP group. It's very easy and straightforward, guys, you know. And another thing that I wanted to tell you, the broker is more important than strategy. So if your broker is manipulative, yo, look, I've been trading with different brokers for years, man, and I know a good broker when I see one. And the broker that I use, man, I have no doubts. You know, as you see, I'm just relaxing and focusing on my working, my trading. You know, but the broker handle all the transaction and everything. You know, so I will leave the link down below of the broker that I use. Make sure that you open a account with them, and yeah, and let me see you in a VIP group. Yeah. Till then, have a blessed day, and I will see you again